Ancient myths often tell us profound truths. Consider the Hydra, a terrifying water serpent from Greek legends. Cutting one head made two grow back. This ancient story offers a powerful metaphor for a modern challenge. We call this the AI Hydra Paradox. Restricting AI can backfire, fueling its growth. Like the Hydra, cutting one line leads to several new ones. Our desire for containment might accelerate AI's spread.
Consider a popular AI model like ChatGPT. These large language models are incredibly powerful. Naturally, concerns arise about misuse, misinformation, and job displacement. Authorities and developers try to implement restrictions. They might try to block certain types of queries or prevent the AI from generating harmful content. These are all attempts to cut off a potential bad head of the AI.
However, what often happens next is fascinating. When one capability of ChatGPT is restricted, the global community of developers and researchers does not simply give up. Instead, they see a challenge. New models might emerge, designed specifically to bypass those restrictions. Or existing models might be fine-tuned in clever ways. The AI ecosystem, much like the Hydra, responds by growing new heads, new capabilities, new approaches, new models. This process makes the AI landscape more diverse and often more robust. The original restriction, aimed at limiting the AI, inadvertently encourages the proliferation of AI in forms that are less easily managed. It's like trying to put a lid on a boiling pot. The pressure builds, and steam finds new ways to escape, sometimes more vigorously than before. This dynamic ensures that the AI continues to evolve, often in directions we did not anticipate.
This pattern is not entirely new. We have seen similar dynamics throughout tech history. Think about the early days of digital music sharing. When platforms like Napster emerged, the music industry was alarmed. They moved to shut Napster down through legal action. This was an attempt to cut off a head of the digital sharing Hydra. The shutdown of Napster did not stop file sharing. Instead, it led to the development of more decentralized and resilient technologies. BitTorrent and other peer-to-peer networks emerged. These systems were much harder to control. The Hydra had grown multiple new heads, each more difficult to manage than the last. The music industry eventually had to adapt, leading to streaming services. Another powerful example comes from the world of encryption. In the 1990s, the US government tried to limit the export and use of strong encryption. The result of these attempted restrictions? Innovation in cryptography flourished. The AI Hydra Paradox reveals a fundamental truth about human ingenuity. Restrictions often act not as a full stop, but as a challenge. When a boundary is set, clever minds immediately begin to think about how to work around it. This is especially true in the fast-paced world of artificial intelligence. Each new rule, each new limitation, can be seen as a new puzzle to solve. And the global community of AI researchers and developers is very good at solving puzzles. This creates a continuous cycle of restriction and innovation. Imagine a river. You can build a dam to try and stop its flow. But water is persistent. It will seek out new paths. AI development is much like this river. Attempts to dam its progress in one direction often lead to it flowing with renewed vigor in other, sometimes unexpected directions. The energy that was blocked is not destroyed. It is merely redirected, often leading to novel solutions and more sophisticated systems. This cycle is not necessarily a bad thing. It can drive progress and lead to more robust and versatile AI systems. Ultimately, the AI Hydra Paradox teaches us that restrictions often breed ingenuity, not simple compliance.